guys can call me Coach Matt. I'll be teaching you guys today how to dribble a soccer ball. So I got a few opening questions for you guys. So raise your hand to answer. Don't just blurt out answers. So does anyone know what dribbling is in soccer? Yeah?
It's when you have control of the ball and you're like kicking it, but slight kicks.
Yeah, moving the ball up the field. Good. And what is the significance of dribbling? What is the purpose? What do you think? Anyone? No? Yeah?
To get closer to your goal.
Yep, to get closer to the goal. So that's the main goal of soccer, is to score goals. So today we're going to learn how to dribble a soccer ball. So there's many ways to dribble a soccer ball. I'm going to teach you guys the simplest way. So there's a few cues that you got to remember. So the first cue is you're going to point your toe to the ground. So you're going to point your toe, and at the same time you're also going to be locking your ankle. So with whatever foot you're going to be dribbling with, it's going to be like facing like this. Everyone got that? Yeah? All right, so second, this is a common misconception for newbies, is you guys are going to try to kick the ball. It's not a kick, it's a push. So instead of kicking the ball and getting it out of control, you're going to want to control the ball, and it's got to be closer to your body. So the whole point of dribbling is ball control. So you're going to just think push with your laces. So with the laces of your shoe, you're going to point your toe and you're going to push, and then you're going to recover and you're going to push. All right? So the last thing to remember when you're dribbling a soccer ball is your non-dribbling foot, so the back foot, is always going to be behind this foot and behind the ball. You don't want it to be up here while you're dribbling, because if you're doing that, most likely they're going to steal the ball, or you're not going to be advancing very quickly. So can anyone tell me the first pointer? Yes?
Inside of the foot, maybe?
Nope, not inside of the foot. What angle do you want your toe to be pointed?
Pointed to the ground.
Yes, pointed to the ground. And how should your ankle be? Raise your hand.
Locked.
Yes, locked ankle. And what do you want to do with the laces of your shoe? Raise your hand.
Push the ball.
Push the ball, yep. Push the ball, not kick it. And the last, what should your non-dominant foot be doing?
Being behind your pushing.
Correct. So I'll just give you guys a quick example of what you guys are going to be doing. So in your teams, you guys are already in your teams. So when I tell you to go, you're going to line up behind each cone. At first, you're just going to do it at a walking pace. So you're just going to be dribbling, recover, dribble, 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 and then you're going to come around your cone. So in order to come around the cone, you're going to have to use the outside or the inside of your foot, and then you're going to continue dribbling back to the cone you started at. And remember, the first time is at a walking pace, then we're going to advance to a jog, and then we're going to do a little more advanced. So go ahead and, with your teams, line up. So team 1 over here, team 2, and so on and so forth, behind the ball. Don't kick the ball until I instruct you.
No, just go through.
All right, so all you're going to do is at a walking pace, dribble, try to work on control and all those cues, and then go around the cone and then give it to the next person in line. Okay, so at the sound of my whistle, the first person can go. Ready? Good, remember, keep those ankles locked, push with the laces. Looks pretty good. Make sure to lock that ankle. Don't be giving me no dead fishes when you're kicking the ball. Keep that ankle nice and tight.
Are you nervous, Sarah? Are you ready for this? We're supposed to stay inside the cones, or
You're just going from that cone to the other big cone for now, and then we're going to use the little cones in a minute.
Quality cook, Sarah. Good job, Sarah. No, not today.
Yeah, and go ahead and switch feet if you feel